Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 3 assignment of the course Python for Data Science. Guys, for the past 5+ years of experience we are providing these solutions. So guys, definitely subscribe our channel forever and definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates. And now let's get into the video. First question, which of the following is the correct approach to fill missing values in case of categorical variable? So for first question, third option, mode is the probable solution, guys. So mark third option as the probable solution for first question. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, if we identify ourselves, definitely we will update that in the comment section. And you can also suggest your own solutions, right? So now let's see the second question. So assume the pandas data frame df cars which when printed is as shown below. Based on this information, answer question 2 and 3. So this is the data frame they have given. Guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. If I make any changes, you may miss that content. So do watch full video without skipping. So second question, of the following set of statements, which of them can be used to extract the column type as a separate data frame? So for second question, I have got two probable solutions. First option and third option. Right? Now let's move on to the third question. The method dfcars dot describe will give description of which of the following column. So for third question, third option, price in lakhs is the probable solution. So mark third option as the probable one. Next, moving on to the fourth question now. Which pandas function is used to stack the data frames vertically? So for fourth question, second option, pd dot concat is the probable solution. So mark second option. Next, moving on to the fifth one. Fifth question, which of the following are libraries in Python? So for fifth question, all of the above is the probable solution. Pandas, matplotlib and numpy, right? So option 4 is the probable solution. Next, before getting into the sixth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs super savings pack for Python for Data Science. So here you are going to get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs, guys. 295 plus MCQs for just 500 rupees only, along with data sets. So the validity will be till the exam day. Up to 5 members can use that. So if you make payment for 500, up to 5 members can use that. So if you can use this for your friends and classmates. So if you are 5 members, up to 2 to 5, up to 5 members, if you are there, then mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. With 5 to 6 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected this. So these are past NPTEL assignment MCQs. You will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So up to 5 members, 1 to 5 persons, the price will be 500 rupees, guys. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack. So form groups of 2 to 5, up to 5 persons each group. So one person take the lead of each group and mail me to this email ID. I'll give the same email ID in the description box also. Validity will be till the exam results day. Up to 5 members can use this. Topic coverage will be high. Search option available. You can search any question you want and easy to revise as well. Up to 5 members can use that if one person make the payment for 500. So huge number of 295 plus past NPTEL assignment MCQs along with the data sets will be provided. So bk179417@gmail.com. So this is our mail ID, guys. So don't forget to purchase this. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. So these are 100% past NPTEL assignment MCQs. So the syllabus also 100% as per NPTEL standards. So do remember that, guys. So mail me to this email ID. I'll give the same email ID in the description box also. So now let's get back to the solutions. So sixth question, guys. Which of the following variable have null values? So this is based on this data set from question 6 to 9. So flavors of cocoa.csv. So we have gone through this data set as well. So based on that they are asking. So which of the following variable have null values? So for sixth question, Second option guys, company is the probable solution. Next, which of the following countries have maximum locations of cocoa manufacturing companies? So for seventh question also second option, that is USA here. So USA, second option is the probable solution for seventh question. Next, moving on to the eighth one. After checking the data summary, which feature requires a data conversion considering the data values held? So for for eighth question also it is second option, review date is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the ninth one. What is the maximum rating of chocolates? So for ninth question 5.00, second option is the probable solution guys. Next, moving on to the 10th question, what will be the output of the following code? So for 10th question, option 1 guys, bool, int, float, string. So first option is the probable solution for 10th question. Now let's move on to the 11th one. What does df.info provide? So for 11th question also first option is the probable solution. Summary of the data frame including the number of non-null entries. So before getting into the last question, I want to once again make you remember. So super savings pack guys, you will get that in a PDF Google Drive restricted link, 295 plus MCQs. You are going to get for just 500 rupees. Up to 5 members can use that. So high topic coverage, search option is also available, easy to revise guys. So you can mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. So that's it guys. Now let's see the last solution. So for last question, second option 135, second option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 3 assignment of the course Python for data science. So don't waste your time guys. So take the pack now itself, so that you can get more time to revise at the end. So prepare from now itself. So you have very less time to prepare. So take it now itself and revise these solutions and grasp the concept as well guys. So huge number of 295 plus MCQs available for 500 rupees. Up to 5 members can use that. So mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. You can get access for this super savings pack, the Google Drive link, restricted link. So please share this news within your WhatsApp student unofficial groups guys. So everyone should be able to understand about this, so that they can get better preparation ahead of the final exam. Definitely like the video guys, then only our videos will reach other students as well, so that they will also get benefited like you. And please subscribe our channel and definitely share this news with your friends or classmates. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.